Hi, to set up fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, firstly we need to find and open settings. After you open settings, scroll down and here you should find your lock screen tab. Select it and then go in screen lock type just by tapping it. After that, you should see this list of options for the lock screen. So before adding fingerprint, we will need to choose one of those options. For example, we can select pattern and we'll need to draw it first. Tap continue and then draw it again and confirm. And after that, we can easily set fingerprint. So go back in screen lock type, draw your pattern or enter pin code. And here enable fingerprints by tapping on the switcher. Now you can see some information about fingerprints and just tap continue. And now we need to place finger on the sensor which is located on the power button, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. So sensor you can find right here on your power button and just tap it, then lift when the percentage goes up like that. And now this fingerprint added, so we can add another one or we can tap done button. And after that we can enable fingerprint always on. So we can unlock your phone just by touching the side button. Turn on for quick access or turn off to avoid accidental fingerprint scans. So let's enable it, tap done button, and now let's try this out. I'm gonna lock my phone. Now I'm gonna unlock it with the help of my middle finger, and as you can see we got information fingerprint doesn't match. So let's try this out with a finger I put on a scanner. And yep, now everything is working, so we just unlock the phone. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.